What is up, guys? Gabriel here. Welcome back to the channel. So, I had a little problem with my car. If you guys don't know, I drive the 2015 Mustang GT. I like to go into depth, Roush Stage 2. Anyways, I had a problem. So, the car's tuned, E85, long tubes, everything. I knew I was going to start having problems with it soon. With the O2 sensor, I've had problems with it before. Check engine light kept coming on before. It was a big old hassle. So recently it got worse where the car was spitting, sputting. It would lose its ethanol count and everything. So if you can see here, I have both extensions. Hopefully that's the culprit right there. It does say passenger side, although Lund says it is driver side sensor. So I don't know. I already replaced the passenger side sensor. That one's still the old one, so we'll see. Going up from there, I hit something there. But other than that, we'll just have to see and test it, because it does test through ohms, so we'll see, and I'll update you guys from there. That's what might be causing it, which hopefully it does. Or I start gapping some fluids again. Alright, let's go test it.
I just got that on video. Oh.
But I want their fries again. Bacon cheese fries.
What?
The bacon cheese fries, EG's?
Oh.
I want the bacon cheese fries. Get in there. What is up, guys? So the last time you guys saw me, I was actually at my dad's shop, and I was going through the extensions, making sure they were good, and they were still good. Granted, they were a little burnt due to the header, but I moved that out of the way so I don't get burnt anymore. And I actually swapped them just to make sure that it wasn't the extension that was bad. So going forward with it, a couple days later, I didn't film it. I ended up finding out that I thought I got the wrong sensor, which I did. There is a difference on the passenger side of the car sensor. Automatic and manual, I literally don't know what the difference is. The same length and everything. Literally the only difference is the coating on the sensor, like the little cover. On the manuals are silver, like a gray silverish, and on the automatics are black. Who fucking knew? It's fucking stupid. Anyways, going forward, I'm used to Chevy trucks. I grew up working on Chevys and everything. Granted, this is my second Ford, concerning my old Focus ST. I'm so used to bank 2 being on the passenger side. Bank 2 on Ford in general, which I didn't know is on the driver's side. My dad didn't tell me. My dad said he'd rather have me find out and suffer and everything. I'm like, wow. Anyways, found out. Got the driver's side sensor, replaced it, and now I have my N gauge here because I connected it just so I can monitor everything. Now, both are now reading correctly. Ethanol count is still learning. Sorry, it's backwards. Ethanol count is still learning. It fluctuates right now. It still hasn't learned the full E85 yet. But yes, she's back. She's not misfiring, spitting, sputting, shitting, none of that anymore. She is running the way she's supposed to again, and I am excited. I'm happy. Because as soon as you start looking up codes, it starts bringing up all these other things like bad PCM, bad this, bad that, which started making me more nervous, me more scared, because I didn't want to throw more money at it. Stuff that I possibly didn't need, but it is fixed. She is running. She is idling fucking perfect. She is purring like a kitten, and I'm fucking ready to go out and start racing again. It's been down for 3 weeks. just because I didn't want to drive it. I don't want to fuck it up. I mean, coming back from my dad's shop, I did a pull and that fucking shit went all the way to... For those of you that don't know, on Mustangs, on your little AFR gauge up here, it's supposed to read on E85 between 9 and, well, 9.6, the lowest, and like 10, from what I've been told and what I've noticed. When I was Lund tuned back to Mondo's tune, Relentless tunes, it's been like that the whole time. It was like that idle, had it kind of get on it a little bit to get her on a truck, and I look down and I see it go from 10 and it climbs quick all the way up to 13 to 14. I'm like, holy shit, so I let up. At that point, that's when I knew it's not good to drive. It's not safe to drive. Better be safe than sorry. So I parked in, been driving around in my dad's second car. But she's running perfect. I'm excited. Now it's just time to, hopefully I get money back for income tax and get some tires on this bitch so we can start hooking better. But yes, she's running the way she's supposed to now. Oof. There it is. See how it drops, if you can see it? What up, guys? So, I just noticed when I was editing the video, I did not do an outro. Again, this video is spread out through multiple days. But, yeah, if your O2 sensor fails, that's pretty much what I did to fix it. It did take me a little while. But, yeah. So, if you guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you mind, just hit the notification bell. We have plenty more videos to come. We got a lot of builds coming up. My car, just pretty much getting into drag set. Gabe's car is almost done. We got a video on that coming soon too. Jacob's shop building multiple stuff. I mean, stuff with EXP. EXP's Dyno Days coming up, so just stay tuned, please. Also, follow us on Instagram, M3P_race. Same thing on Facebook. But yeah, see you guys later. Have a good night.